Mini Kit Monday family. So I'm going to show you my kit reveal for August Mini Kit Monday. And remember, we do have a Facebook group, and it's so fun because at the beginning of the month, mostly at the beginning of the month, all these people reveal their kits, and it's really, really fun. And we have a group, there's 7 of us ladies that go ahead and for the most part lead the group and show you what we do, and we have process videos that come out every Monday. So I'm going to put the mood board right about there, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try to leave space there and show you what I came up with based on the mood board that I am putting up. And here we go. Okay, so I started with, at Tuesday morning, they had this summer lights collection, and I liked it and didn't like it and liked it and didn't like it. It was really funny. I kept going back and forth. So I decided that I needed to have just a little bit more bright, happy summer layouts in my life. So I'm going to go ahead. I haven't even opened this. That's terrible, isn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and build my kit off of the Summer Lights collection by Pink Paisley. Does it say when the collection was 2017? So I'll go ahead and do a little bit of a quick flip through. I mean, I don't want to torture you with boredom. Let me go in a little bit because this is a 6x6 pad. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do about the 12x12 paper. But this will be my first go-to is this paper, and I will build from there. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, let's see. There are 36 sheets. So we have some gray. Oh, I need about 20 sheets of this in a 12x12. Oh, great bright summer colors. And this has a lot of this really great deep orchid, and I mean, look at this. It's just infused with saturation. Love that. So, oh, I didn't realize how beautiful this collection really was. Nice little cut aparts. That'll be fun. So, oh, and beneath my table right there, very sorry, there is a snoring bulldog, and there's nothing I can do about it. So this is the collection pack. It's bright and it's fun. Oh, and now we're just going to go ahead and repeat. So I have that. Now I can go back out because my kit's going to grow and grow. So I have that. And then I did also find at Tuesday morning the chipboard set that goes to it, which has like this, it's like a holographic look to a lot of the pieces. So it's kind of interesting. It makes me think like if I come up with a metal, a lot of it will be holographic. So very cool. So I have that. Then, sorry about the little glare. I'm trying to minimize it. Trying. That didn't help. Okay. And I also did find the sticker sheet for this collection. Once again at Tuesday morning. So it has lots of little word stickers, which I love little word stickers. Some funny little emojis. So it's just cute and whimsical and just about summer perfect. All right, so that's where we started. So then my next thought I had was I'm going to clearly need, sorry, I dropped something, some 12x12 papers to put this stuff on top of. So I just went ahead and grabbed the Pineapple Crush paper pad by Heidi Swap. And absolutely not, these colors are not spot on. But there's enough in this pack, let's say I bring this out. There's enough that's in here, like this color right here, I would say absolutely. And clearly I can use black and white. This I can even use, look, it has some of those mulberry purpley tones in it. This goes great with this. So there's enough in here that I can really get to work with it. Actually, that would be adorable. Look at how cute that is. So at first glance, no. At second glance, yes. So I'm going to have that for backgrounds. But like I said, I'm going to try to concentrate on the Summer Lights collection and just add to it for this kit. Now I say try because things can go sideways quite often. The next thing I did, for no apparent reason, was I was like, okay, if I don't have enough there, which is insane, I went ahead and grabbed out this kit that I think I got from Peachy Cheap. So briefly, there's literally just 3 pieces of paper left in here. I've got some really fun beach embellishments though. And once again, some of the colors in it are going towards that orchid tone. Not all of it will work, but some of it will work. So I was like, okay. So I'm going to keep it in here though, because that's not going to be the first thing I'm grabbing. I have some little cute tiny word stickers. Oh, is that Imaginescence? Is that what that was called? So there's some little word stickers, and oh, they repeat on each of the little set of stickers, but they're cute and the colors are right. And then finally in here, I do have some of the die cuts for this collection. So that's not going to be the first thing I grab, but I was thinking, gee, if I run out of everything, I'll go there. I doubt I'll run out of everything, but you know. All right, so I have that. I will put this just down on my chair because this is going to grow. Then for alphas, the first thing I looked for was some holographic, and I do have some, and they have bright pink foam on the sides. So I thought that would be, where do I want to put that? Because I really want to see everything. Anyway, I have those. Next, for something slightly more plain, neither of these are opened. These are somewhere between mint and aqua, and they have newsprint behind them and then just a little bit of glitter. I have these stickers, 2 of the exact same sheets. And then finally, I have this set from Pink Fresh Joyful Day, these puffy ones. And I really loved how close the colors worked. So I thought that could get me somewhere. Okay, so we have that. Then I didn't build this out too crazy. I just grabbed a couple things like this slightly tortured sticker sheet. Boy, wouldn't I love to use that up. We'll see how that goes. I have yet another random sticker piece. I'm going to put that with it. I do have the full collection for Pineapple Crush of the ephemera. There's 64 pieces in here, so there's plenty of fun to be had. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is such a glare. Let me go like that. We'll go right over, I don't know. It's going to glare. Let me go like that. Okay. So then lastly, I had a few little bits of summer pieces from different collections. That's chipboard, that's acrylic. I have a little rubber charm. But look at, I found a little holographic shell. So those are in there from different little bits. These are just from Michael's a couple years ago. They've got these great little tiny words, as well as, I don't know, a couple of the little colors I can use. That has a lavender hue to it. I have Crepe Paper Oasis little puffy fellas. I'd love to get this used up. I do have a partial set from Momenta, these way two-dimensional pieces. Now, if I can get rid of some of the dimension, I mean, look at those, they're honking, then I'll be able to use them. But I do like that they have a lot of different textures, like wood and foam and acetate and all that stuff. So we're gonna try that. Then I have right here some epoxy pieces. Not all the colors work, but some do depending on my layouts. Oh, I have another one of these little sticker sets from Michael's, but look at that, woo! The holographic stuff is like going crazy. So I have those two. I don't think it's a full set of ephemera from Echo Park, and it's the Sunshine, I Love Sunshine pack. I'm sure not all of those are in there. I mean, these were just in with my summer goodies. I have a very, very, very partial pack from Gossamer Blue, very old summer collection. I'm going to try very hard to kill that little guy. And then finally, a little journaling spot and a little, oh gosh, what were those called? Those things that you went like this. You know, those little projectory things. Somebody knows. It's, oh gosh, it's right on the tip of my tongue. All right, so that's it. That's for my mini kit Monday kit. I'm going to put it all in here and make it look ever so pretty. Let's see if I can work on that bit by bit with you. So pretty much all I am doing, let's see, is seeing where each of the pieces will fit, because if I can see my things, I will actually use my things. If I don't see them, unfortunately, I am so out of sight, out of mind. It is just terrible. So I always put all my alphas, my tall alphas together, I don't know why, it just makes more sense when I go to grab them out that I can see them. Now, like the ephemera set, I'll end up putting that into like a little 4x6 little photos box so I can rifle through them. Let's see. More epoxy pieces and cool wood pieces, little crate paper. I'm gonna put these embellishments on the other side. I'll show all of you guys in 1 second how nicely this gets to go together so that when I am ready to craft, I can just go ahead and grab my little box here from IKEA, and all my goodies are in there. So there's that kit. Here is my paper pad, my 6x12 embellishments. All of my alphas are lined up there. I've got just that extra sticker sheet because it won't fit. The paper pad for my inspiration. I've got my die cut stuff. We saw my little Momenta pieces, puffy pieces, those great little, very bright word stickers, epoxy bits, extra little who knows what's, and then just a little bit more die cuts and my little projector stuff, and that's it. So that's my kit for August for Mini Kit Monday. I'm excited to see what I'm going to come up with from it. All right, goodbye, friends. We'll see you soon.